ropeway fishing rig. The fishing techniques for fly fishing where two anglers will connect their fishing line from each sides of streams or river, making them easy to float their fly on any part or sections of the streams or rivers where the fish will bite their bait. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel Nongkhwai. In this episode of the video, I'll be showing you another different type of fishing tutorial in which we will be assembling another different type and unique type of fishing rig in which we normally use for fly fishing. So in this type of fishing rig, we normally use these flies known as the termite flies, which normally comes out during the spring and the autumn season. So what exactly is this ropeway fishing? Actually, in this type of ropeway fishing, it requires two anglers from each end or from each side of the stream, connecting their line into a single line and forming a ropeway type. In this type of fishing rig, it makes us easy to cast a line to the desired spots where the fish normally bites the fly. So let's check out how to assemble this fishing rig. All you need to have is a 3-way swivel or a T-knot. In case you don't know how to tie a T-knot, you can check a video from my playlist in which I have already shown you how to tie a T-knot. Apart from that, you'll be needing a float which will act as an indicator while flying the line from each end, a lead sinker. In this case, we are normally using a flat lead sinker in which we can just attach a little bit of it to suspend the line down, and lastly we'll be needing the fishing hook in which we'll be attaching our flies. So I've also shown you a pictorial presentation out here on how to assemble the ropeway fishing rig. So in case you find this video very informative, and if you like this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button, the like, and also press the notification bell to get more information on how to assemble different types of fishing rig. Enjoy the video. Thank you.